hundreds of years, birds have captivated the human imagination. They have inspired us to take to the skies in the form of planes, gliders, and microlights. With grace and often with vibrant colour, birds are nature's masterpieces, inhabiting almost every corner of our planet Earth, from the Arctic to the warmest of rainforests. Almost 10,000 species of bird call our planet home. Today, we invite
Okay, so we are out to say hello to each and every one of you. I'm talking about the stars of the show. Everybody, clap your hands to the music. Come on, let's welcome them. And of course, not forgetting also to welcome our host. His name is Ellie.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Today we are going to meet special birds. Each one of them has a beautiful color and an exceptional talent. You can use your phones, but make sure the flushers are off. It might interrupt the performance of the birds. This one on top of your head is the third largest macaw, the blue and gold macaw, Mr. Boomer. And this one on the right side is the second largest, the green-winged macaw, Mr. Sassy. These one are not Kentucky chicken, the one we eat. They are kind of birds called the golden pheasant. My name is Elias.
I'm Cassis Bell, and joining us the fourth largest parrot in the world to rescue a flag so we can start. And his name is
Mr. Star. Mr. Star is the fourth largest parrot in the world, and he will raise the UAE flag. رابع أكبر قبة بالعالم. Everyone, let's give him a big round of applause. يا عمي, leave the chicken. Leave the chicken. Go and raise the flag. Go raise the flag. Come on. Yellow big boy.
Go raise the flag.
Look at him.
Go raise the flag.
Now pull.
That's right, keep going. You have to impress them how clever you are. Just like that. Yes, salam.
What a great start. Now, did you know that me and this boy are best friends?
Hey, what's up? He's not your friend.
Look at him, he walks like this one. Now, in my hand, I'm holding different pictures of animals. Everyone can see? Yes? Alright. Big boy, اختار وحدة وخبيها. Choose one and hide it. Hide. Hey, don't show it to me. Perfect. Little boy, choose one and hide. Yes? And hide. Now, listen carefully. When I turn my back, لما أبرم ظهري, I want you to show the pictures to everyone behind you. Okay? I want you to do like this. Are you ready? 1, 2, show it to everyone. Show it to everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, take a good look at the pictures, memorize them. Lovely. Hide it back. Perfect. Put it here. Don't show it to me. Alright, marvelous. Put it here, don't show it. Alright, yeah, perfect. Now, take a good look at this. I have no idea what the pictures are and I'm gonna mix them all, but check this boy. He's very smart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Everyone, let's get him up.
So how many cards we are looking for?
Dogs.
It names. What is the first card? What animal is this?
Is it the...
Wow! Usan?
The horse, what is it?
Usan.
Swan. So what did the... Wait a minute.
What is that?
Is it the scarlet macaw? Wow. Now these boys come in two colors, the red and the green. بيجوا بلونين مختلفين الأحمر والأخضر. Now ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to us and thank you, me. You know, for a minute I thought he's my best friend and then I realized that this... Yeah. Now, ladies and gentlemen, did you watch the old animation movie? It's very old. It's called Rio. Did you watch it? In this movie, there is a small birds with a beautiful long beak. Do you know what kind of birds are they? I'll give you a hint. The name starts with the letter T.
T.
Yeah.
The last letter is N.
T and N. Perfect. Yes.
Is their letter O? I think. Oh.
Let's give them a big round of applause. I love it. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Brazil, let's welcome the lovely Toucan. Yes. Now these birds are very friendly and they come in 42 different species. Now can you tell me which one is the boy, which one is the girl? No, I'm talking about the birds, not the trainers. So this is the boy, this is the girl. Baba, you're right. How did you know? You choose like this. You know what? He's right, but there is one difference. Can you know what is it? You are absolute Baba. So the one with the bigger beak is the boy, the one with the smaller beak is the girl. These birds cannot fly for a long distance because they have a very short wings. They are same like chicken. They can only jump a couple of meters. Now who wants to come and join me? Yes, Baba, please come down. Stand where the trainer is standing. And I want you to open your right hand and make it like a cup. Perfect. Now Ria, the girl, will fly on your hand and she will eat. Don't touch her, yes? Just stay still. Perfect. Here she goes. Wow. Now these birds are the 4 most beautiful toucans in the world. The most beautiful one is called the rainbow toucan because this one has 7 different colors on the beak and they are adorably beautiful. Alright, come down. Don't take the glasses. Don't take the glasses. Take the wallet if you want. Don't take the glasses. These birds are very friendly and they are good for the rainforest and especially for the environment. Whenever they eat the fruit, they always spread the seed back in the ground for it to grow all over again. Let's say bye-bye to Rio, bye-bye to Ria. Thank you, trainers. Now, do we have any artist here? Any artist? No artist today? It's alright. Now, do we have some people who love paintings? Paintings, colors, art, yes? Now, we are going to meet a special artist and this one come all the way from Australia. Now, what is the name of the most famous artist in the world? Higher. Picasso. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. John Picasso. Yes. Mr. John Picasso is called the silvery cockatoo. And these birds come in 4 different colors, the white, the black, the gray, and the pink. These birds have a second name, called the yellow-crowned cockatoos. On top of their head, you can see the yellow feathers. Once they are excited, these feathers open, become like a crown or a crest, and that's the only way to know a cockatoo. عصافير الكاكاتوز بتجي ب4 ألوان مختلفين، الأبيض، الأسود، الزهري، والرمادي. وإلها اسم تاني كاكاتوس بتجي الأصفر. عندها ريش صفرة على الراس، وقتها تتحمص ريش بيوقفوا بيصيروا على شكل تاج. هيدي الطيور بتقدر تعيش ل 80 سنة وبتجي من أستراليا. I want you to use your imagination. Take a good look at the canvas and tell me, what do you see?
A bird. A bird.
A what?
A bird.
A bird? Okay. A bird can be right. Anyone else? What do you see? A bird? Okay, everyone is seeing a bird. Little one, what do you see? I think this one will become a singer when she grows up. She's like, oh. The cast?
Yeah.
What do you see?
I see tripod because I see nothing.
You know what? I see something beautiful there actually.
What?
I'm gonna tell you, wait, until you finish the final touch, you know? It's an abstract. You never figure out until the painting is 100%
Yeah, I can only see the
finished.
shadow.
Exactly. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give the artist John a big round of applause. Alright. You know what, bro? I think the people are absolutely right, and this is the scarlet macaw, the one who raised the UAE flag before. Right?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yes, I think it is.
It is?
Yeah.
Is this us? Yes, it is. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we will frame this painting and we will take it for a small auction starting with 20 dirhams from a special bird, Mr. John, live in front of you. If you want this painting to be hanged on your wall only for 20 dirhams, raise your hand. If not, you're more than welcome. 20 going once, only mommy and daddy can raise their hand. 20 going twice, 20, marvelous. Anyone want to raise it for 30 dirham? 20 going once, 20 going twice, last and final call. Congratulations. Let's give them a big round of applause. Thank you, John. Thank you, Saki. Alright, marvelous. Now, little boy, I want you to bring the 20 dirham for the painting and come down here. We're going to show you how we collect our money. We don't collect it by hand, we collect it with a special way. Alright, just bring. You know what? I love Baba, always remove the wallet. Bring the money. Lovely. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to need 2 twins. Alright? Perfect. Now, stand here. Lovely. But first tell me, are you afraid of birds? بتخاف من الطيور? He's not afraid of birds. Can you hold 50 kilo on your hand?
Say yes.
Okay, wait. What's your name? Assam. There is a lot of girls here. Whenever I ask, especially about weights, always say yes. Can you hold 50 kilo? I love it. Perfect. Now, Isam, I want you to stand here. Walk on. Perfect. Look at Mama and Baba. Open your right hand. ضع إيدك. أيوة. Now, Isam, close this one. Close this one. Hold the money like this. Hold it like this and close these fingers. Ready? Do not move your hand. He's big. He's gonna come. Walk and take it. Ready? Let's call him here. Aladdin. Yes.
Where is the 20 kilo?
I love it. He did the U-turn. Did you
Yeah.
see it? Ladies and gentlemen, these birds are called the Samdaniers. Asafir Shamis. Now, Assam, open your hand one more time because he's gonna give you a small voucher. You're gonna use it at the end of the show for you to receive the painting. Are you ready? When he put it in your hand, close it. Aladdin, bring the receipt. Close your hand. Wow, marvelous. All right, thank you, Assam. Keep this with you. At the end, you will take it. Now, this one was Aladdin, but this time I'm gonna introduce you to his twin brother. But this one, I want one adult to join me. Who's gonna join me from the adults? You gonna join me? But wait, whoever wanna join me, you should bring money with you. 5 dirham.
120.
Okay, 20 dirham, 500, 1,000 credit card, PIN number, I'm okay. Who wants to join me? I promise you, I'm gonna give you the money back. It's only for fun. Who wants to join me from the adults? Okay, Baba, come. All right, let's give Baba a big round of applause. Marvelous. All right. Lovely. Baba, what do you have? Show me. Something big. Big cash.
Red color. The whole wallet.
What do you have? Yeah, remove something. You have 500, you have 100, you have 1,000.
Credit card is fine.
The 100, the 500, the 500. You know, look at my eyes inside. Ooh! Ooh! You know what? Today is our lucky day, and today you did the worst mistake in your life. You know that? What's your good name, Baba? Hamad. Okay, let's give a round of applause to Hamad. Lovely. Now, Hamad, I want you to stand here. Okay, stand here. Hold the money like this. Now, this bird has been trained by two genius people, me and DJ. Forget about the trainers. Look at this boy, Aladdin. Aladdin, he see the 500, he comes, he walks, he takes the money, and Baba, give him the money. He never come back.
Excuse me, why he never come back, Ali?
Because this is how we collect our salaries.
No.
Baba, you go to gym? Who thinks we should give Baba the money back? Raise your hand. Who thinks we should give him the money? Okay, can you please and come down, give him the money? Or else he gonna do some weights with you. No? Alright, Baba, are you ready? Lovely. Now this time we're gonna give you the money back. Open your hand. Once you put the money, close your hand. Alright, hey big boy, bring the money.
Excuse me, what is this, Ali?
Man, I think this boy gonna bring my hand today. Okay, lovely. You know, I have nothing to do with this. It's all his fault. Wait a minute, let's see. There is something inside and there is a voucher. It said, thank you so much for your donation, Baba Muhammad.
No, we have to give the money back.
Okay, open your hand. Alright, so once we put the money in your hand, close your hand. Hey big boy, bring the money.
मेरी वीडियो बना दे मैं ले जाती हूँ
Alright, here it comes. Close your hand. Let's give Bob a big round of applause. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Now, yesterday, one of our birds got promoted, and today he is the manager of the cleaning department. Ladies and gentlemen, the green-winged macaw, Mr. Rex. Oh, yeah. Mr. Rex is the second largest macaw, ثاني أكبر بطة بالعالم, and he loves to collect the trash. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, do this at home. Your friends will love you. Let's give a big round of applause to Rex. Come on. Yalla. One, 2,
Name,
and 3,
Carlata.
and 100.
La 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 la. 4.
Now this boy do something we never do. Mommy always tell daddy, Habibi daddy, when you remove the trash every day, you have one job to do and you always forget. Can you please stop forgetting to remove the trash and make sure you close the lid? Now this boy loves to play with the rings. How many seconds do you think he will finish 3 rings? Gus, how many seconds?
7.
7. All right, all together, let's count. 1, 2, come on. 1,
1.
2,
Name,
3,
Carlata.
4,
4.
5,
5.
6,
6.
7,
Sabah.
Man, how do you do this? You know what? Now, this boy loves to play basketball. Have you ever seen a bird play basketball? No? Look at this. We call him Rex Bryant. Come on, big boy. Let's do it.
Our son is London.
Wow. You know, I heard that you love basketball.
Yes.
Yeah, lovely. Now, this boy had a special way to come to work. Have you ever seen a bird skateboard before? No? This boy had his own little skateboard. Come on, Rex, let's show everyone how it's really done. Check it out. Yalla!
Hold on, bro. Do you know how to play skateboard?
Man, I'm the best in skateboarding.
Oh, really?
I've been doing this since I was 3 years old.
3 years old?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yesterday, I did 3 miles direct.
Oh, yeah?
3 miles.
3 miles.
Non-stop.
And what happened?
The whole 3 miles, it was on my face.
Unbelievable.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give Rex a big round of applause and take you away. Gus,
Yeah.
I have a question.
Okay.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color.
Yeah.
Lal.
Excuse me?
Lal.
What is lal?
Red.
How should I know that? Why do you like lal?
Okay, do you believe in love?
Unfortunately, we all do, and unfortunately,
That
yes.
is the colors of love.
You know what? You give me goosebumps.
And how about you, bro?
Me, I love the color black.
That, why?
It fits with everything in the morning.
Oh, yeah? And besides of that?
Today I'm not wearing my black because it's washing machine, and besides of that, black is the only color. You can wear it for 2 weeks and nobody knows. How long you've been wearing your shirt? See, I will never know. He can tell me like today. Now, ladies and gentlemen, how many colors we have in the rainbow?
7.
Get ready to meet the adorable birds. They are called the Rainbow Orchids. Let's welcome Edward and Bella. All right. Little Princess, come join me. Little Princess, come down. All right. Little Princess, bring her down. Yes. Big boy, come join me. Princess on top, come down. Yes, come down, come down. Don't be scared. All right, lovely. All right, perfect. Come, kids. Don't be scared. Come here, come here. Yes, come here, come here. All right. The cute one on the top. Yes, come, bring her down. Baba. Bring the kids. Lovely. All right, now come down here. What's going to happen? Come on this side. Yeah, make one line here next to each other. Come, make one line here next to each other. All right. Now what is going to happen? You're gonna hold the cup in your hand, and the birds will fly from one cup to another. These birds are called the rainbow lorikeets, and they have 7 different colors on their body. The head is purple, the neck is yellow, the back, the wings, and the tail are fully green. The chest is divided, the upper part orange, yellow, red, and the down part is dark blue. عصافير قوس القزح عندها 7 ألوان مختلفة على أجسادها، الراس تبعها بنفسجي، رقبة صفراء، الظهر الجوانح والذنب أخضر كامل، صدر مقسم الطبقة الفوقانية أحمر برتقالي وأصفر، والطبقة التحتانية بنفسجي غامق. Now, can you tell me which one is the boy, which one is the girl? There is one difference. Both of them are identical, but there is one small difference. Can you find it? The neck? It's not the neck. Head color. It's not. One of the birds was standing outside in the sun yesterday. That's it. Just a bit tan. No, it's not the color. Try something else. So it's not the neck. It's not the color. The beak? Mama, you are absolutely wrong. No, it's not the beak. What do you think? No, it's not the beak. Try something else.
The boy never lay eggs.
The names? Pick up? Not eye color, no. The boy never lay what?
The boy never lay eggs.
Oh, come on, man. The boy never lay eggs. All right.
With the longer.
With the longer tail, exactly. The one with the
Yeah.
longer tail is the boy, the one with the shorter tail is the girl. And they are drinking their favorite drink,
What they are drinking.
gin and tonic.
Ooh.
No, I'm joking, it's apple juice. Let's give a big round of applause to the birds, and thank you, trainer. Now, I'm gonna introduce you to my favorite girl, and she come all the way from Australia. I call her the White Angel.
Al-Malaku Abiyad.
Can you please say it again?
Al-Malaku Abiyad.
الملاك الأبيض Princess Sophia. I love this song. Sophie is the wife of Mr. John the artist, and these birds can live up to 80 years of age.